Sa Mobile Bible School, tayo'y nagtitipon online. Sa tahanan man o saan ka man.
Produce peace. Fifth one is Jesus, the Prince of Peace, established justice as the foundation of lasting peace. Kaya nga ang title ng ating Panginoon is Prince of Peace. Dahil Jesus promote peace. Sabi sa Isaiah 32 verse 17, and the work of righteousness shall be peace, and the effect of righteousness is quietness and assurance forever. Example, a peacemaker who resolves conflict between co-workers by promoting understanding than taking other side. So, kung tayo ay Kristiyano at may conflicting between sa co-workers, don't take side but listen on both sides. And then, try to resolve and make peace. So a parent model patience and kindness at home, fostering peaceful environment. Right? Kahit mali ang ating anak, we have patience and kindness so that there will be a peaceful environment. A church organize community reconciliation effort and bring people to different backgrounds together in unity. So sabi ni John Stott, true justice lead to peace, not division. Sabi niya sa kanyang book na sinulat, The Cross of Christ, napakaganda po nitong book nito, sabi sa page 2112. True justice lead to peace, not division. Lagi natin tatandaan to, that if we are really seeking justice, the one we're seeking always lead to peace. Kasi mostly nang sinasabing just is nagkakagulo lang eh. But we're not seeking peace. Hindi po biblical way.
Sa Mobile Bible School, tayo'y nagtitipon online. Sa tahanan man o saan ka man naroroon.